Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the course on Android Studio tutorials. In the last lecture, we have seen about how to create a login page and see the scroll view, right? Now, in this lecture, we will see how to make the login button functional or how to make the toast, right? So let us see. So here it is the XML file. You can see the layout we have created. So now let's move to the main activity because it is activity main.xml. So let's move to the main activity.kt file. So in this file, so recall we have created IDs for each of the uh, what the attributes like the login button, the register yourself, forget password, mobile number and password, right, an image. So what will we do? We will be just declaring the variables first, like var 80 mobile number. So the variable name must be the same as ID. So to make an easy to recall, then we will be mentioning the type like mobile number was added text followed by a semicolon. Then et pass is added text, button login is button, and text forget password is text view, and similarly text register is text view. So here we have used the late init keyword. So let us see, if we remove the late init keyword, then we will get a error showing property must be initialized or be abstract. So we will be using the late init keyword to avoid the error. So basically late init keyword avoids the error and make the variable functional, right? Now let us see, the function override on create activity has been called. So in the on create activity we have given the title as login because we want the page to be the login page for our attribute. Now what we'll be doing is we will be taking the uh, like how the program will know, कि प्रोग्राम को कैसे पता चलेगा कि जो बटन है जो लोकेशन है वो एग्जैक्टली अपनी मोबाइल नंबर की है। तो अपन क्या करेंगे कि वेरिएबल नेम को एक एट्रीब्यूट जो कि होता है फाइंड व्यू बाय आईडी, ये एक लोकल एक फंक्शन है जो कि ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट होता है इन द व्यू क्लास। सो उसको अपन r.id.et मोबाइल नंबर से रेफर करते हुए उसको फाइंड करेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली जो अपन मोबाइल नंबर डाला उसको वो कैसे सर्च करेगा। तो उसके लिए अपन ये वाला कीवर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, राइट? Then etpass similar to find UMI ID r.id.etpass, and then button login, then text forget password and text register. Now we will be saying now how to make the button functional. So we have created the button, we have initialized the variables, we have making the variables recall that whatever the button, whatever the value will be, it is find view by ID. So now making the button functional. So for that there is a shortcut method in the Android Studio which is called set on click listener method, and it is present in view group. So if we see, then if we see the import file, then we can see import android.view.view, right? So that is how it is being called. So now let us see. So what we have done, button dot login. So the ID of the button is button login dot set on click listener, and then semicolon. Then we have to click. If we, how do we came to know that the button has been clicked? So we want a message to be shown after the clickable of a button. So for that we have write a code like toast.mactest, right? And this, so we will referring the activity as main activity. So whatever the activity is being there, we'll be referring to that activity, and then we will see type the message in the double inverted comma followed by the command toast dot length long. So length long basically is a command which is offering referring to that how long the message will be appeared after the clicking button, and then close the on click listener method and make test method, and then show is the final function to show the attribute. So now let us run the code and try to see how this works for the activity main.xml file. So if we run the program, so see the button, the app has been launched. Now as soon as we click the login button, it is showing a message here, and if we zoom the message, then you can see, if we pick the login button, just a minute, so here is the message, and the message got automatically disappeared after a long wait of time because we have used a length long. Let us see and just use the long short method. If we use the long short method, then the message will appear and it will get removed in an instance of time, right? So this is how we have created the login button functional. In the next lecture, we'll be seeing that the how to link the login page to another activity, so that as soon as we click the login button, we will reach to the new page of this type, right? We will see the new page of the scroll type as the scroll view example. So how will we creating that button functional to reach to the scroll page? So thank you so much and have a nice day.